Yon, so tayo ngayon nagbabalik mga kaibigan. At sasagutin natin ang tanong, what is a polynomial function? So ano ba nga kasi ang polynomial function na yan? Pag sinabi na from the word poly, ibig sabihin maraming terms. And that function is in the form of, let's say, p of x, or pwede rin tayong gumamit ng f of x, or y, equals a sub n multiplied by x raised to n plus a sub n minus 1 multiplied by x raised to n minus 1 plus a sub n minus 2 raised to x multiplied by x raised to n minus 2 plus hanggang a sub 1 multiplied by x plus a sub 0. So, kung titingnan natin yan, masyadong komplikado, ano? Ibig sabihin lang yan, ang atin daw polynomial function ay nasa ganyang itsura. Pero hindi naman literally ganyang itsura. Kumbaga, notation lang naman ito. N is any real numbers. Kumbaga, i-discuss lang yung parts nung ating polynomial function. Pero mamaya, mas maintindihan ninyo kung ano ba itsura ng ating polynomial functions. So, yung ating n, that is a non-negative integer. Ito yon, yung mga n na yan. That is our non-negative integer. Tapos, ito, yung a sub n multiplied by x raised to n is our leading term. Tapos, yung mga a sub n na yan, yung a sub n minus 1, itong a sub n minus 2, at a sub 1, yan yung ating mga coefficients. Yan yung natawag na coefficients. And then, yung a sub n, yun yung ating leading coefficient. Kasi nga, di ba, itong a sub n multiplied by x raised to n, our leading term. Therefore, this is our leading coefficient. Tapos, itong a sub 0 is the constant term. Yan yung constant natin. Tapos, itong polynomial function na yan, kapag ka nakita nyo yan, decreasing yung exponent niya, halimbawa, f of x equals x raised to 3 plus x squared minus 2x plus 1. Kung mapapansin natin, yung exponents niya, pababa, 3, 2, 1. Tapos 0 yung exponent dito. That is in standard form. Again, that is in standard form. Pero, hindi lang naman sa ganyang form ang ating polynomial function. Pwede siyang maghalo-halo ng pwesto. Pwede siyang magkaiba-iba ng pwesto. That is still a polynomial function. Kaya lang, hindi na siya sa standard form. Ang standard form ay yung decreasing exponent. So, ganun lang natin i-identify kung nasa standard ba yan o wala. Tapos, so yan ang yung ating polynomial function. Hindi lang sa expanded form, pwede nating sabing polynomial yan eh. Halimbawa, we have a function y equals x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed minus x squared plus 14x minus 56. That is a polynomial function. Standard polynomial function. Kasi nga, decreasing yung exponents niya. Or, pwede yang isulat kung that is a factorable. Ang factors niyan is x squared plus 7 multiplied by x minus 2 x plus 4. That is still a polynomial function. Finactor out lang naman yun eh. So we can consider that still as polynomial function. So yun yung ating polynomial function. Halimbawa, meron tayong function na f of x equals 2 minus 11x plus 2x squared. And you are required to give the degree, the leading coefficient, and the constant term. So bago natin ma-identify yung tatlo na yon, kailangan ilipat muna natin siya into standard form. So ano bang standard form yan? That is 2x squared minus 11x plus 2. Kumbaga, decreasing yung exponents niya. Therefore, ang degree niyan ay yung pinakamataas na exponent, which is 2. Yan, yun yung degree. And then, the leading coefficient, mahaba eh. Leading coefficient niya, yung coefficient ng ating leading term, which is also 2. And then, the constant ay yung term na walang variable, which is 2 also. And those are the parts. We have the degree, the leading coefficient, and the constant. Yung constant, yan yung term na walang variable.